Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing power and connection options. Make sure the keyboard has fresh batteries or a full charge. Low power causes pairing failures. Turn the keyboard's power switch on and observe the LED behavior. Blinking usually means discoverable. On your computer, open Bluetooth settings if using wireless Bluetooth, or have the USB wireless receiver free and insert it into a working port. Once done, you'll be ready to put the keyboard into pairing mode in the next step. Now you'll put the keyboard into pairing and make the actual connection. Press the keyboard's pair button or hold the function plus Bluetooth key for 3 to 5 seconds until the LED blinks rapidly. That signals discoverable mode. On your computer, select the keyboard name from the Bluetooth list or let the USB receiver drivers install automatically. If prompted, enter or confirm the numeric passcode shown. This secures the link. Make sure to wait for the confirmation that the device is connected before testing keys. Finish by verifying full functionality and resolving common issues. Test typing and special function keys. If keys behave oddly, open your operating system's keyboard settings to adjust layout, repeat delay, or language. If connection fails, power cycle the keyboard, remove and reinsert the USB receiver, or disable and re-enable Bluetooth on your computer, then retry pairing. For persistent problems, update the keyboard firmware and your computer's Bluetooth drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.